the HealthWatch, good news in the fight against the opioid epidemic. A study in the New England Journal of Medicine has found that in recent years, the number of first-time opioid prescriptions has fallen by half. Dr. Mallika Marshall is here tonight.
But not all of this is good news, though, right?
But let's start with the good news, right? Let's start there. So it was researchers at Harvard Medical School, and they analyzed more than 86 million patients over a 5-year period, and they found a more than 50% drop in the rate of new opioid prescriptions. That's for patients who have never had them before or haven't had them in like 6 months. And that is great news because that will help curb the epidemic. However, they did find that some prescribers are still continuing to prescribe opioids at doses that are too high or for a length of time that is too long. On the flip side, some people are so afraid of prescribing the opioids that sometimes patients who might need them aren't getting them. So it's important to sort of strike a balance, right? To give a patient the smallest effective dose for the shortest period of time if a patient really needs narcotic pain relief.
That's true more and more. Don't you think people are afraid to take them at all?
Yeah.
Yeah, and there are a lot of doctors. I mean, I work in urgent care, and there are a lot of doctors that really are afraid to prescribe them.
All right, doctor, and we have heard about the potential benefits of green tea, of course, but a new study from Ohio State finds it could help fight obesity.
So what can you tell us about this?
Okay, so these researchers fed mice a diet of 2% green tea extract.
Okay.
And they found that the mice that ate that they gained 20% less weight than mice that weren't on the green tea. They had lower insulin resistance, they had less inflammation in their bodies, and they had healthier gut bacteria, which the researchers think might be responsible for the lower risk of obesity. Now, before you go out and buy a cup of green tea or start brewing up green tea, the mice ate the equivalent of about 10 cups of green tea, which some people in some parts of the world do consume, but we typically don't.
Right.
And we also don't know whether the green tea extracts will work as well as the actual tea that you take with meals throughout the day.
That's the new thing. People, I will say I tried the green tea thing for a while. Coffee is just so much better. Can they make a green tea that tastes like coffee? And then I'm on board.
There are some companies that are doing green tea with an infusion of caffeine, so.
Liam just wants it all.
I do.
You can't have it all, Liam. Impossible.
Dr. Mallika Marshall, thanks so much.